Thousands of people hold Bitcoin and earn a profit when the Bitcoin price increases, but when the Bitcoin price ranges or goes below their entry price, they have to wait for the price to increase. While waiting for the price to increase, Bitcoin holders can use decentralized finance on Ethereum blockchain. With the help of DeFi, you can earn interest and do many more things, but using Bitcoin on Ethereum isn't possible because Bitcoin and Ethereum are two separate blockchains. The solution to the problem is the cross-chain bridge. Cross-chain bridges allow us to send crypto from one blockchain to another while maintaining the original asset's core value. We have so many solutions such as WBTC, RenBTC, and others that bridge Bitcoin to Ethereum, but so far none of these projects have brought Bitcoin to the Ethereum network in a fully decentralized way. Threshold solves this problem with tBTC version 2. The second generation of tBTC is a truly decentralized trustless bridge between Bitcoin and Ethereum. tBTC is an ERC20 token fully backed by Bitcoin at a rate of 1:1. Which means that the tBTC token exists only as long as its backing Bitcoin deposit exists. Let's understand the minting process of wrapped BTC so that it will be easier for you to understand how tBTC version 2 works. Suppose a merchant wants to exchange BTC to wrapped BTC. The merchant sends the actual Bitcoin to the custodian. The custodian mints WBTC. The custodian sends WBTC to the merchant's Ethereum address. As you can see, the original BTC is now held by the custodian, which means you have to trust a third party to use WBTC or other similar bridges. tBTC version 2 solves this problem by replacing custodian or centralized intermediaries with a randomly selected group of nodes. tBTC version 2 creates a new Bitcoin wallet each week to store new deposits and splits the private key to each wallet between 100 randomly selected nodes. These randomly selected nodes are also known as signer sets of the wallet. This wallet will handle all Bitcoin deposits made throughout the week. And to make it more secure, tBTC version 2 automatically creates a new deposit wallet from a fresh set of random nodes each week. They used to randomly select 3 signers in the previous version of tBTC, and transactions could be done only after the approval of all 3 signers. Now they increase the random number of signers to 100, and to make any on-chain transaction, 51 out of 100 signers must agree. This means stealing Bitcoin is possible only if at least 51 signers will agree. But getting the permission of multiple random nodes is next to impossible. These multiple layers of protection in tBTC version 2 prevent any potentially malicious individual node or group of nodes from compromising the system. For your information, tBTC has been successfully operating since September 2020, with no security incidents of crypto economic exploits. Despite being a secure network, they added an extra feature called coverage pools, which adds an additional layer of security for users. Coverage pools consist of crypto assets that are deposited by users, and in return, users earn rewards. Coverage pool funds also ensure against hacker fraud. tBTC's previous version required signers to provide 150% Ethereum as collateral. This model of over-collateralization was very expensive to increase minting capacity. Coverage pools shift the burden of capital to investors instead of node operators, which solves the problem of over-collateralization in tBTC version 2. Currently, tBTC is the first and only solution that brings BTC into Ethereum network in a trustless and truly decentralized way. Minting of tBTC version 2 is expected to be live by the end of January 2023, which will be able to match the capability of custodial solutions like WBTC in the coming future. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.